In this session, let's talk about data type conversions and data type casting. Both involve changing the data type from one data type to a different data type. However, the difference depends on their compatibility. A data type conversions happens automatically with compatible data types. If the data types are, then we must apply a data type casting. We are not changing the value, but only converting the value. In Eclipse, let's start with the data type conversion, which can also be called widening conversion. Widening conversion is when a smaller data type is converted to a larger data type. It gets wide from small to large. For numeric data types, the precision goes from byte, short, int, long, float, double. Byte is the smallest numeric data type, and double is the largest data type. If our data types are from left to right, then the compiler automatically converts the types. Two things must happen for an automatic conversion. Both data types must be compatible, and the destination type must be larger than the source type. Look what happens when the destination is smaller. Int destination. Int is a whole number and smaller than the source 34.56. 34.56 is a double. Therefore, the error message states type mismatch, cannot convert from double to int. Let's add a comment that says cannot convert from double to int. Now, look what happens for the automatic conversion. We write int source 1 equals 34. Double destination 1 equals source 1. Source 1 is smaller than destination 1 because int, it has a lower precision than double. Let's print the values. Sysout original int value plus source 1. Sysout widening conversion int to double plus destination 1. Let's run. Original int value is 34, and widening conversion int to double is 34.0. The value on the right, which is source 1, automatically converted to the double data type, destination 1 on the left. So we see 34.0. Next is data type casting, which can also be called narrowing conversion. This type of conversion happens when the destination type is smaller than the source type. We write double source 2 equals 34.999. Int destination 2 equals 34.999. This is the same error from last time. Type mismatch cannot convert from double to int. We have to explicitly carry out the conversion. We specify the data type we want to convert inside the parentheses. Casting takes place when we send an instruction to the compiler to convert the data type. Let me say that again. Casting takes place when we send an instruction to the compiler to convert the data type. The cast always happens before the value. Therefore, we place int for int inside the parentheses. A person might think the value 34.99 would round up to 35, but that's not true. It will convert to an int value. However, the decimal and 999 will cast off and not be shown. Let me change 34.99 to source 2 and add some print statements. Sysout original value double plus source 2. Sysout narrowing conversion double to int plus destination 2. Let's run. Original double value is 34.999. The narrowing conversion double to int cast off 0.999 and only show 34. In the next video, I am going to convert an object to a variable and convert a string class to a numeric value. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and GitHub, and Twitter. On LinkedIn, I release videos like every day. If it's not a video, then it'll be a transcript. On Facebook, I release videos. On YouTube, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. And my goal is to start and continue releasing videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I'll see you in the next video. Let's pick back up where we left off with data type conversions and the data type castings. Start by converting an object to a variable. Double source 3 equals 12.12. Source 3 is an object, and we cannot cast an object. It works different than the previous example. Int destination 2 equals int source 2. Let me show you. Int destination 3 equals int source 3. See the error? Cannot cast from double to int. Notice the difference between both double data types. One D is uppercase and the other D is lowercase. And uppercase D represents a class and the lowercase d is a primitive data type. We must use a method from the class to perform a conversion. Java provides a corresponding class for each primitive data type. Remove the cast int and keep source 3, but add a dot. And we see all of these methods from the double class. Int value returns the double value represented by source 3. Then convert the value to type int. Now the error goes away. This is how we convert an object to a variable. The object source 3 and the variable destination 3. Let's add some print statements. I am going to separate each section by adding another statement of horizontal lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Copy and paste in this section. The print statement will be sysout original double object value source 3. Sysout convert object to int variable plus destination 3. Let's run. Bingo. Original double object value is 12.12. Then convert the object to int and the value is 12. Now let's convert a string to a number. String source equals 100 in double quotes. Double destination 4 equals double dot. Parse double returns a double value representing the string 100. Then we select source. In the same way, we can parse an integer. Parse means it is analyzed for the correct syntax. Integer destination 5 equals integer dot parse int. Select source. This method returns an integer. Let's print the values. And I'm going to copy. Now I'm going to just type them out. Sysout original string value plus source. Sysout convert to double plus destination 4. I'm going to copy and paste this line and change double to integer and change destination 4 to 5. Now let's print. There it is. As expected, we see original string value is 100. When converted to a double, it's 100.0 and 100 when converted to an integer. That's it for data type conversions and castings. You can connect with me on LinkedIn, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. And the transcripts and code and presentations, I always put them on GitHub. For LinkedIn, I release videos just about every day. Transcripts also on LinkedIn. On YouTube, videos are released and created on Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. The same with Facebook. And I'll see you in the next video. And don't forget to subscribe to get notification of each video by clicking the bell icon. And I'll see you next time.
Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium Automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.